Hi everyone, this is the test for 2019 to 2020 GMTA theory test level 1 triple cuff. Watch out, you will need to write your name down on every page. There are total 4 pages. Date is February 5th, 2022. Teacher name, Jessie Lo, Jessielo. Okay, we are going to skip ear training for now. I might make it for you to listen to tomorrow morning, okay? I'll make it after you go to the bed. Now, we're going to do this very quick, and then so you can go to bed soon too. Now, this is, name these notes in the blanks below the notes. Use uppercase, capital letters. So, easy, triple cuff. C, continue. A, what's this? E, this, triple C. C, D, E, F. Watch out, again, remind yourself, this is in triple cuff, so this is F. One step up to G. That's it, easy. Next one, this is new somehow. Draw the following symbols in the correct place with the following notes and majors. So, sharp sign, you need to put a sharp sign to the note F. Sharp sign, no matter it's sharp or flat, the extended sign always stay to the right, to the left of the note. This F is in space, so we draw the sharp sign also in the space. The theta will stay in the space. This is a flat sign, right? We need to draw the flat sign right next to the note. So, a little bigger one, not too small, but don't go like touch both lines. Anyway, natural sign, you know how to do that, right? Look at here carefully. 1, 2. Cool. Next one, hall rest. Whoops, hall rest. I don't know what's that. That's okay. Half rest is here. Remember I told you? Half rest, like a magic hat. So stay on line 3. This is a line 3, middle line. You give a bottom line note and half of the space. Mark in blue, mark in black. Okay? Then you know this is a half rest and the whole rest upside down. So hanging down from line 4. Then another half space. Ooh, beautiful. Quarter rest. A lot of students didn't know how to do the quarter rest. Hey, my screen kind of tilt a little bit, and I'm going to enlarge it a little bit so you can see me better. Is that good? Sorry, I don't do this at a very early time. We always like a tilt. Quarter note. Now, I need to draw the quarter note in between the middle 3 lines. So kind of, again, number 2, slide down. Then a little fader. That's it. Again, number 2, slide down, little fader. Cool, right? Beautiful. Okay, good. Next, half note on line 5. Half note on line 5. Line 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always remember, count the line from bottom to the top. So line 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want to count from top down. Always in your music, okay? You name the notes, go from bottom to the top. You cut a line or space, go from bottom to the top. Half note on line 5. Line 5 is here, half note. Then what? Give a stem because it's half note like that. Down to the left. Whole note in space 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, come from bottom to the top. Whole note. That's it. We don't need a stem or marking block. No, that's a whole note. Next one, quarter note on line 1. Line 1 is the bottom line here. And quarter note, yep, marking black. This is a low note. We need to give upper stem to the right. Draw a little bit longer is fine, not too short. Draw the dark dot to make the dotted half note. Where to go? A little bit upper, close to the note. You don't want to draw, this is space 1, 2, 3. You don't want to draw the space 3, it's too far, look too high, so it's just right next to the space note. Let me ask you, how about if the note go down on line 3? What you do? Dotted the quarter note, space. Always on the space anyway. And then it's upper space, okay? If this is a line note here, where to go? Again, in space, upper space. If this is a note on the top line, note here, we give space, now give the dot to the space again. Make sense? E here, dot right next to the space. That's it. Never ever draw the dotted something, the dot on line. It's hard to see, so it needs to stay in space. And if there are two spaces, you can choose. Always choose the upper space. Make sense now? Okay, this is the answer. I just give you something else to refer to. Continue. Identify the interval by number only. Okay? Either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, identify the number. This is note in treble clef F and G. F to G, 2 steps. G to, you can write down the note if you want. G to C. G, A, B, C, 4. F to F. Oh, active. I don't have to worry about it. E, F, G, 3. G to E. G to E in treble clef. 1, G is 1. 2, 3, line. 4, space. 5, line. 6, in space E. F to C. F, G, A, B, C. 5. So I show you many ways to do. I hope you got it all right. Don't forget to write the name down, okay? Next one, write the correct number in each blank that match with the correct key signature. No sharp flats. Oh, that's C major, right? Match. So write number 1 here. In the key B flat sign, what kind of the key signature go with the 1 B flat, which is F major, number 2. So I cross out like that. Next one, G major, carry 1 sharp sign. Number is 3. Make sense? Next one, A, the missing bar line. Easy. 3 beats per major. Count up to 3 and draw a bar line. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bar line. This is time signature. No, this is dotted half. No, 1, 2, 3 beats. Bar line. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Bar line. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Double bar line at the end. You got it right? Next, time signature 4, 4. We need 4 beats per major. So count up to 4. Each major, you give a bar line. 1, 2. This is 2 beats. 3 and 4. Bar line. Continue. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bar line. Line up your accordion with the note. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar line. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Make sense? Now, write down the missing time signature in the correct place. You don't want to do it huge, okay? Just like this. One number is on the top of 2 spaces. Another number stay at the bottom of 2 spaces. Good? Now. Good? Now we are going. Continue. Time signature, same thing. Count 1, 2, bar line. Oh, 2 bits only? 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2, bar line. 1, 2. Perfect. So you can know quarter note gets a bit and 2 bits per major. That's it. 2 bits per major and quarter note gets a bit. You know what? My 4 stay a little bit too low because the 2 I draw is too big. So I'm going to make it perfect. Make sense? That way you can see neater. Continue 1 here. Obviously, this again, quarter note gets 1 bit. So write 4 first. And then this is dotted half note, 3 bits. 2, 3, 4. Oh, up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 bits per major, right? Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So 4 bits per major. You understand now? Good. Answer the following 2 questions based on time signature 3, 4. How many bits are there in 1 major? Whatever, how many bits, it always goes to the top number. So here the answer is 3. What kind of note will get 1 bit? 4 means a quarter note. There could be a 2 answer. You draw a quarter note or you write quarter note. But you gotta be able to spell correctly. Quarter. The better way to do, just draw a quarter note per bit. You can give down stamp to the left as well. Doesn't matter. Next one, again, write the name up here. Section M. Complete each major by drawing 1 note under each arrow. Under each arrow, okay. We need what kind of note missing here? What kind of note missing here? Here and here. We just need 1 note each missing place. Now, time signature 4, 4. We need to come up to bit 4. Here, 1, 2. I don't know what's this. The last bit here is 4. Then that means we miss bit 3. What kind of notes receive 1 bit? Or F, just write F. So, what kind of note receive 1 bit in time signature 4, 4? Again, it's a quarter note. Okay. In this case, what you have to remember is no matter it's time signature 2, 4, 3, 4, or 4, 4. Always remember a quarter note get 1 bit. A half note get 2 bits. A dotted half note get 3 bits. And the whole note get 4 bits. Those asking for note, but the bottom one asks for rest. Now we need to understand this. What kind of note, what kind of rest receive 1 bit? A quarter rest, half note 2 bits, so half rest like a hat. Next one, dotted half rest. This unusual to be seen. Whole rest, upside down the magic hat. That's the whole rest. Okay, continue. Missing 1 note. Let's fill up. What this here? This is a bit 1, 2. Then 3 and 4. So you miss 2 bits here. 1, 2, 3. In this major, we miss bit 4. What kind of notes receive 1 bit? Quarter note. Here, whole note received 4 bits, of course. You understand now? I hope you got it all right, okay? You need to remember this. No matter what, remember this. Next one. Place an X over each major that has either too many or too few bits. That means if this major has too many or too few bits, you just cross out the entire major. Give an X. If a major has correct number of bits, do not mark it. Do not mark it. That means just leave it alone, okay? I hope you understand the question. You must be able to read and read carefully. One more time, read carefully. Place an X over each major if anything wrong with too many or too few bits. What do you have to do first? For example, again, identify how many bits per major. In this case, 3, 4. So 3. Quarter note gets 1 bit, count like this. Write it down. 1, 2. This is 1 bit rest. Good. Don't touch anything. This is 1, 2. How about this? Hanging down from line 4, which is 4 bits rest. So this is like 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 4 bits rest. So total is 6 bits here. We only need 3. So you cross them out. Make sense? We need 3 bits each major here. 1 bit, the second bit. Anything else? Missing 1 bit again. This is a half rest. Stay on line 3, above line 3. So that's only a half rest, which is 2 bit. 1, 2. We need 3 though. So missing 1, too few. Make sense now? Good. Let's move on. Note, math. Math. And the following notes and rests for the questions in the 2 sections below. And write the total number of bits for each creation in the box. Well, in 10 signature 4/4 or 3/4, no matter what, quarter note a bit, you know this is 2F note equal 1. And this quarter note 1. This is 2 bits. 1 plus 1 plus 2. 4. Make sense? That's easy math. Okay, this is a hat. How to identify if this is the half rest or whole rest? Guess what? Draw a smile face underneath. Oh, yes. It's good. That's a magic hat. Now, so it's a hat. It's a half rest, 2 bits, plus this dotted half note, a half note, 2 bits, plus 1 dot, which is 3 bits. Total is 5. Next, this is what? Walls. You go straight, horizontal. Okay, not too bad. Don't go this way, okay? There's nothing you write. So now this time you go horizontal one. No, I'm sorry, vertical. This is bit 4. 4 plus this is 3. 7. Make sense? This is bit 1. 3 again. Total 4. Make sense? Quarter rest. Oh, there's one more here on the top. So there are 3 things. Be careful. Whenever you do the music, you need to always pay extra attention. Be sensitive with the question or be able to read the sentences. 1 bit. This is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2. Total again 4. Make sense? Good. Next one. Now we need to deal with those terms. I hope you understand. Okay, I am pushing high enough now. Staccato, where to go? Short and separately, cross out K. Allegro, you know what? Sometimes you just go the other way. Easier. Loud means forte. Write A here. Smooth and connected. Legato. Legato here. So write down B. Gradually get louder. That's crescendo. Cross out C, put the C here. Next one, hold or pause. You know that. Fermata. D to question 7. Next one, a fast tempo. E. Fast tempo. Allegro. E. Indicate to repeat a section. Oh, that's repeat sign F. Go to number 9. A slow tempo is mean adagio. Number G goes to number 6. Next one, soft. H go to number 10. Next one, speed, which is tempo. Cross out I to number 4. This is gradually get softer. J, go to number 11. I'm done. That's all. Okay, I'll send you ear training very soon. Bye. Good luck tomorrow.